Let's put it all together. Okay, so now this time you're going to get an equation and you're going to find both the x and the y-intercepts, and then you're going to have enough information to basically graph it, right? So just this is what you need to remember. So you're going to plug in 0 for x, right? And you're going to find the y-intercept. Right? That's what you're going to do first. You're going to plug in 0 for x. You're going to find the y-intercept. You're going to check your notes on page 84 for this. Right? You're going to end up with a point that looks like this, where the x is 0. Right? And then you're going to place that point on the y-axis. So when we put it all together, right, you're going to end up with like a point, let's say right here. Okay? Then what's going to happen? You're going to plug in 0 for y, right? And what does this get you? Remember, this gets you the x-intercept. Okay, need help remembering? Those notes are on page 85. Okay, remember when you plug in and you get the x-intercept, well, now the y value is 0, and you're going to get a number for the x-intercepts, the x values. Okay, and these points are going to be on the x-axis. Okay, now remember about the x-intercepts, and again, the notes are on page 85. Remember, these are the ones where you're going to solve by factoring. Okay, and then there's usually 2 answers. Okay, and then like once I get the x-intercepts, right, then let's say I get an x-intercept right here and right here. And now here's what we can't really do in edge elastic, but in real life what we do is we say, okay, well, let's sketch this parabola. It's going to look something like this, right? If I have these 3 points, then I can sketch the parabola based on that. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to do 4 problems like this, so you're going to set it up. So like here's question 14. You can just set yourself up to find the y-intercept here, right? So you're going to plug in 0 for x, and you're going to set up the x-intercepts right here. And if you want, you can write graph here and sketch the graph here on your paper, or you can just do it right in edge elastic. Okay, but you're going to have plenty of space to do these practice problems because you're going to do 14 right here, and then you can just give yourself plenty of space. 15, and on to page 87 for 16 and 17. And you're done, and this is a challenging assignment, and you're doing awesome. And the code word in this video is bird. Bird, like flying, a bird. B-I-R-D, bird.